Now this is question number 47th, test series 6, paper number 1. So I can question 47. Now we have to find g of fx, the range of g of fx in this question. And fx function is given as well as gx function is given. Now fx function is given in the form like maximum of 1 plus sin x and 1 minus cos x. You know how to handle these kind of functions. What we draw graph of 1 plus sin x, we draw graph of 1 minus cos x, and for every value of x we compare the two and take the maximum and assign it to fx, right? So graph of 1 plus sin x, we draw graph of sin x first and shift 1 unit in upward direction. So this is graph of 1 plus sin x. For 1 minus cos x, we draw cos x, we draw minus cos x, that is reflection of this in x-axis, right? This is minus cos x, and reflection of this in x-axis is this is cos x, reflection is minus cos x, and to draw 1 minus cos x we add 1 to it, so the graph will be shifted 1 unit up. And now you can see here we have like in red the graph of 1 plus sin x, and in blue graph of 1 minus cos x. Now for each and every value of x, we'll compare the two and take the higher values, take that point on the graph which is above. So if we start from 0, you can see 1 minus cos x is below 1 plus sin x. 1 plus sin x is more than 1 minus cos x, so we'll go along 1 plus sin x, we'll take 1 plus sin x for all these values. But after this point of intersection, 1 plus sin x has gone down and 1 minus cos x has taken over. So we'll go with a higher value. And again at this point of intersection, 1 minus cos x is going down and 1 plus sin x is going up. So we're taking the upper of the two. So this is the graph, and you can see, and after this, sin x is a periodic function with period 2 pi, cos x is a periodic function with period 2 pi. So after 2 pi we'll have to just repeat whatever we have drawn between 0 and 2 pi. And if you look at the graph here, the range of this is between 1 by root 2 to 2. The values fx can take are between 1 by root 2 and 2. Now similarly we'll draw graph of gx, we'll draw graph of mod of x minus 1, which is like graph of mod x. We'll draw graph of mod x and we shift 1 unit in right direction, mod x, and replace x by x minus 1 means shifting 1 unit towards right, and y equal to 1 line. So we'll just move from left to right and take the higher of the two. You can see in left half mod of x minus 1 is higher, and after 0 we choose 1 and then again mod of x minus 1. What we have to see is we have to analyze mod g of fx. So x goes to f and then f goes to g, and we need to find the range, the output of g. So if you replace x belongs to r here, the values f can take are from 1 by root 2 to 2. So output of f is the values ranging from 1 by root 2 to 2. And if you replace these values in g, you can see the graph of g. If you replace these values, means we are choosing this instead, 1 by root 2 to 2. So for these values of x, g function will take value, you can see 1. For all these values of x, gx is 1. So gx will throw 1 out of this for all these values. So range of gx is 1.